Have you ever tried creating a Facebook page and you start encountering errors like this? Let me show you how to create a Facebook page without having issues. So for example, I came here to my Facebook and I want to create a Facebook page. The name is going to be brand it. So I'm going to say next, and then I'm going to put in my category. So let's say digital creator, and then I click on create. So instead of creating my pages, it starts telling me you have created too many pages recently. So what do I do if you keep encountering issues like this? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page without encountering these particular issues. So if you're new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and do not forget to share this video to someone who actually need this particular solution in creating a Facebook page. So a few days ago, a friend on Facebook, Ijoma was her name, she actually shared a particular post and she made reference to a particular method on how to create a Facebook page. I tried it out and it actually worked, so I thought of sharing it here to you guys so you can also use this particular method for those of you who are having challenges with creating a Facebook page. So this is your favorite tech savvy. So now that you have subscribed, let me show you how to get started. So the first thing I want to do, I'm going to go to my Play Store and I'll be installing a particular application called TuneBear. Okay, so TuneBear VPN. Okay, TuneBear VPN, that's the name of the application I'm going to be installing. So just click on your Google Play Store, search for the app, and you're going to download it. So I already have it installed on my device. You can see it here. This is it here, TuneBear VPN. So I already have it installed. So the next thing I want to do is to click on it and then create an account on TuneBear. So I already have an account with them, so all I need to do is to just log into an existing account using my login details and all of that. Okay, so I'm going to log in. I say login. All right, so when you log in like this, you're going to be changing your location. Okay, so I have I'm going to say connected. So it's connected already. So I'm here in Nigeria, so I would love to change my location from Nigeria to another country entirely. So let's say Canada. So you see where I am now, United States of America. Okay, so if you've done this correctly, so you can see at the top of your device, you see your VPN icon is showing there. So the next thing you want to do is to close your Facebook and open it again. So you know I already opened it before, so I'm just going to close it and go back to the Facebook account again, and then I'm going to head over to this area where you have your menu, click on your pages, and I'm going to say create a new page. So I'll say get started. So I'm going to put in the name of the page I want to create. So for example, let's say the name of this page is New Day Adventure. Okay, so I'm going to say next. So I'm going to put my category, which is a travel company, and I'm going to say create. So remember when we were trying to pass through this particular phase, it was telling us that we've already created too many pages. But right now, because we've turned on that particular VPN, it's going to allow us to go ahead with creating our page. Okay, so the next thing is to put in your bio. What's this page all about? Just put in everything and you are good to go. So from here, you can just put in all your details for your pages and your page is as good as ready. So that's how to create a Facebook page without having issues. So this particular method will work for anybody, no matter where you are. Just make sure you have that particular application installed and your VPN is turned on. You are good to go. So if you got value from this video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube gets straight to more persons, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you guys, bye.